In Desire2Learn's quiz tool, the question library is a central storage area for questions that can be distributed throughout quizzes and exams. I can build quiz questions directly within quizzes, but there are several reasons why I might instead build them in the question library and import them into quizzes. In order to deliver questions in random order within a quiz or exam, I must build questions within the question library, and then instruct that quiz to draw them from the library. I explain how to do this in another tutorial video. While it is possible to copy questions from quiz to quiz, where questions will not be delivered to students in random order, the question library can still serve as a handy repository where all the questions I create can be easily organized and drawn upon for individual quizzes or exams. For example, I can more easily build different quizzes each semester I teach this course, drawing from a bigger bank of questions I build and maintain within the question library. Here I have my question library. The look and feel is similar to the Add Edit Questions area within any quiz. I have several question banks stored in sections or folders. Here are two individual questions not currently stored in any section. I can easily navigate between sections or folders using the folder tree on the left. Anywhere within the question library, I can create questions. The process is identical to creating questions within any particular quizzes, and it starts by clicking the blue New button and selecting the kind of question I'd like to create. To learn how to create questions in either quizzes or the question library, see our other tutorial videos. To create a section, I click the blue New button and click Section. I can do this in the question library's root area or within any pre-existing section to create a subsection. I give it a name. I save it. And in this case, I've created this section within my question library's root or main area. Moving questions from section to section within the question library is simple. To do so, I go to where the question is located and click the box next to it. I click Move at the top of the list, and in the following screen, I select which folder or section I'd like to move that question into. And there it is. I have other question editing options as well. I can delete questions, and I can change the order in which they appear within the section. I can change the default point value for questions here in the question library. However, I can also adjust the point value for these questions locally after I've installed them within a particular quiz or exam. Adding questions from the question library to individual quizzes is easy to do. From the question library, I click Done Editing Questions to go back out to the main quizzes tool screen. I'll then click an existing quiz that needs questions. Within its editing screen, I go to the Layout/Questions tab, and there, click Add Edit Questions. Here, I click Import. From Source Collection, I choose Question Library. And then from Source Section, I choose the folder or section within the question library that contains the questions I'd like to have in this quiz. After I do that, Desire to Learn gives me a list of the questions with checkboxes. I choose the questions I'd like to see in this particular quiz. I click Save, and there they are. And again, here within the quiz, I can edit the particular values of the questions to suit my goals for this particular quiz. And this quiz is ready to go.